everybody, welcome to our unboxing day. So we will unbox the gift of my sister last December, her birthday and Christmas gift. So let's unbox this. I'm so excited because I'm gonna have my own coffee grinder. See that? So let's unbox it. With this note, my sister, my pastor, you almost complete all your coffee setup. Merry Christmas from Bunso and Miko. So let's unbox this. So this is the set of the coffee grinder. Let's see what's inside of this. Wow. Actually, I was looking forward for this in the online shop and try to save money to buy a new set of coffee grinder because I have my manual grinder, but I want to have my the one who use electricity. So this is our so we almost complete our set of our coffee setup. So this much you can put the beans inside. Then you can see there is also an adjustment range. So you can choose here in this level. And let's just put it here. This is the button. That's nice. So this is how it works. You just press the button here. And you will hear that it is grinding. Wow. Nice. So our coffee setup is already complete and we are ready to brew coffee. So thank you for being with us today. Always remember,